lovies, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new around here, please don't leave without subscribing to my channel. At the end of this video, I'll have it somewhere in these corners, that way you could just click on my little picture and subscribe. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys my must-haves and my favorite sunglasses, and where to get them for cheap and get in stock just for the summertime. Yeah, let's get started. Before we start, I wanted just to state a little comment out there that I saw, not on here, but somebody on Snapchat actually sent me a message, and they were like, why are you so like plain? Why don't you get ready when you do your videos? And I was like, girl. Just kidding, I didn't say that. I'm like, really? Like, I have to be a certain way to make my videos on my channel? It didn't really bother me, I guess, but I was just like, really? So I was like, first of all, I'm lazy as fuck. I don't want to do my makeup every damn day for videos. Hi, baby. Just kidding, that's not true. Well, I am lazy, but no, it's not. That's not really the reason why. The reason is because I've learned through YouTubers and through YouTube itself, watching other people's, is being yourself is the best you could do on here on YouTube. If you want to be a YouTuber, acting like someone else or trying to be someone else doesn't help you. Yeah, like you could get inspired with someone, and like maybe the people that you have watched gave up on YouTube, and like you get ideas from the channel, and kind of hits, like things like the Ace family have said on their videos get stuck to me, like the word bebe. I've seen people and they were like on comments, oh, bebe means baby, babe, or baby in Spanish. Like, shut the hell up and save it. Yes, it does mean babe in Spanish, but you're copying them. And it's okay, like just don't say, oh, bebe means, that's not an excuse, because yes, bebe means babe in Spanish, but the way they say it is different. They go bebe, hey bebe, and it gets stuck to somebody, it gets stuck to you, and it's not like you want to copy, it's because you like it. You just, when you're hanging out with that person, half of you goes to them, and that's the way it is. So yeah, you guys, I'm not saying like I want to be myself, but if I do things, it's because I'm not copying, it's because it gets stuck. Like I call my baby Bebe now, Bebe, because it gets stuck and I love it. Yeah, like she just said. But through most of it, through it all, I want to be myself. I want to show you guys how I am, and I feel comfortable not wearing makeup, because I think that it's more exciting doing makeup videos when I'm not ready and show you guys the finishing look. And when I'm vlogging, when I vlog and I am ready, it's exciting. It's just that much more exciting. But anyways, enough of the chitter chatter. With that being said, let's hop on to the video. Let's go. I will shut up now, I promise. Okay guys, sorry if you guys are positioned all awkwardly and weird. That's because I had to charge my camera because it died. Anyways, chambea. Hello. My little baby's right here with rocking her little glasses. Alright, so the first babies I want to start with are, I'm going to show you guys the glasses first, and then after I show you guys, then I'm going to give you guys the info and the deets of how much they were and where I purchased these glasses. I came up all in personal here because my baby was grabbing the glasses and I'm like, no. But anyways, let me go ahead and start with these babies. They're whoa, ignore that messy vanity. But they're the cat eye rose gold and gold framing glasses. They're super freaking cute. Look at that. Classic. They're thin, they're cat eye, and they're just lightweight. And let me pop these on and show you guys how they look on me. Sorry for the noises. My little midget is around here, trying the glasses on too. But look at these, you guys. Look at that mess I have there. Kidding. I'm like reorganizing everything, by the way, spoiler alert. So that's the mess back there. But anyways, look how adorable these are. Look at that reflection. I love the rose gold reflection. Like, if I could get all my glasses like this, I would. They're super cute, and the cat eye, it just complements my face very well. I just absolutely adore these glasses. I think these are by far my favorite. Until I get the ones that are out of stock, then those are going to be my new favorites. But they're out of stock like always. But yeah, these are the type of glasses you take to the pool and you be checking out guys, being like, hey boy, can you see these eyes staring at you, fine ass? Yeah, I'm sure you can't. But I'm looking at you, boy. I'm looking at you. Cause you be fine as hell. Yeah, these are those glasses. Just kidding. These are the glasses that will have a black eye under them because Luis caught me checking out guys. Just kidding again, guys. But anyways, yeah, they're super cute, lightweight. I love the frame. It's simple cat eye look, and look at my hair. These are my favorites. So I'm gonna adore these and treasure these and love these until they're all scratched up. I don't know how long they're gonna last me because I just purchased them. I don't know if they're gonna be scratch free. I don't know any of that information yet, but I will keep you guys updated. If you keep asking me or messaging me throughout time, I will let you guys know. The next glasses I have are also a rose gold frame, and these are more square. They're in the square category, and they're a weird shape. I don't know, they're square at the top, but I found them on the square category, I'm pretty sure. They're like hexagony, they're square, they're everything. But I also love the gold, the rose gold reflection on these as well. They're super cute, and they have the clear acrylic plastic frame. The other ones were metallic or metal frame, and these are plastic. And these are what these babies look like on. They're really big. They look like I'm gonna go skiing. I could get ready with these if I flip them over. They're super cute, but hey, you have to go big or go home. I love oversized glasses. I don't know about you guys. Covering my whole face, hiding them zits, hiding everything. You know, super cute. I love how it doesn't show my eyes either. I love these glasses. They make me look extra, like if I'm Lady Gaga or something, you know. Mama, shh, I'm recording, baby. But yeah, love these as well. Other ones that I got that are exact same shape and the style and the framing are these ones right here, which are the exact same except they're a little bit more transparent, and they're also plastic, and they're red. These, you could see my eyes and everything is red right now, and I just love these. I love that weird style to it. They're super unique. They remind me of Bad Bunny. I don't know how he has that like weird style. Bad Bunny, baby. Mambo Kings. Mambo Kings. Chambea. Hala. Hala. Super cute. They're the same style as well. They're a little bit more unique. That's why I bought them, because they're different. And when I'm sideways, these actually pop out more. You have to, like, if you put them up here, they'll look weird. You have to kind of like hang these glasses. And I've gotten a lot of compliments on these, so I definitely love these glasses. Super, super cute. Now going on with the next style. These are the style, they're the aviator style, if that's how you pronounce it. How it goes like circular and then oval right there. If that's the best way of explaining it, I don't know. But these are also rose gold. What do you know? My favorite color. Rose gold lens. The rose gold lens and the reflection is rose gold. And it's also metallic here. And this one has like a little bit more, it's a little bit different on the detailing. Look how that is. I like how kind of it bullets and this holds the lenses together. I like these styles because they're different. Aviators, I haven't seen some like this. They're unique. They're rose gold. They're metal framed with the gold. No, they're all rose gold, and then it has like the plastic ear, I don't know what this is called, comforter or whatever, but for the ears, you know, so you can put them on. And this is what these look like on. They're also super cute. I love them. Perfect for the summer, short shorts, you know, going out in style. I love these glasses. These are like my second favorite. The shape and everything is different, and I absolutely adore these to death, guys, and I definitely would recommend these glasses. I adore them. All right, going on to my box that I got. Those are the top ones that I first purchased. I purchased 4 of them. I've only showed you guys 3 because my baby, I don't know, there's some clear ones that were aviator style as well. They're more hippie looking. I don't know where those are. I tried looking for them so I could show you guys, but unfortunately I did not find them. So I purchased these glasses from Sunglass Spots. I'll have the link down below. I believe that's how you say it. And they're $5, you guys. $5 a glass. That does not sound right. $5 per pair of glasses. Glass. But yeah, they're super cheap, super affordable. I paid for like 2 pairs of glasses one time, like $30 almost, $15 each glasses. So this is definitely extra looking. It looks high quality, high class, fashion. It's trending and they're affordable. That's what I love. The shipping is also super fast. These got here in 2 days. I paid $5 more for the shipping. They got here in 2 days in a little box like this. There are some that are Premier Edition, you guys. They have a bunch of styles, a bunch of shapes, sizes, and a variety of glasses that you could choose from. Most of them are out of stock because they're so pretty, but you could always subscribe to them in emails, and then they notify you when they're back in stock if you choose to be notified, which I have on tons because they're always sold out. But like Premier Edition would be, I don't have any Premier Editions, but the Premier Editions are a couple more bucks. I believe they range around 9 to 12 or 13 bucks. Alright guys, so glasses that I bought from that website that I'm gonna have down below came in this little box, and I ordered these just the other day because I just started ordering from this company. I've always heard that they were good, but since I'm so picky, I never know what to order. But yeah, in the box, when you open it, it comes like this. And it's just a girl. It's a very pretty, cute box. Nothing compared to the outside. It's what's inside that counts, right guys? And it came with the glasses stacked up like this, and I ordered 4. So there's the cat eye ones are new. Those are my new favorite ones that I did order. They came in this box, and they come in little baggies like this with those little things for security. That way the box is more secure. And they also came with individual little sunglass sacks, or whatever you want to call them. So you could put them away for travel purposes. It came 1 for each pair of glasses that I have. All of the glasses I've ordered have one of those, so I have those everywhere. Which I don't really find use to it, but whatever. This is what the packaging looks like, and it has like it says Sunglass Spot, not pot. Sunglass Spot, and comes packaged like this, and then you just pull the glasses. And the other ones that I told you guys are hippie-like are like these that I can't find, except in pink or like rose gold again, and they're like transparent like these. It's my first time actually trying these on. These are also the Aviator, if that's how they were called, but those are in this style. And let me try these on. See, these are more like of a rainy day or like a, I don't know, beach, whatever you want to call it. And you could see my eyes, it's transparent. It's also a metal frame, and it has like plastic or acrylic on the ends right here. So just like that. It's very cute, simple glasses. Also $5. Every single glasses on that website are $5, you guys. I am not kidding. I am not kidding. I kid you not. Unless they are the Premier Edition, then they won't be $5. And then these ones, which are the cat eyes, both of my cat eye ones came in like a Ziploc baggie. I don't know why to make it fancier, but the other ones is more like this type of material, which I can't explain. This is more like a little Ziploc baggie. And these are just like the cat eyes that I showed you guys, my favorite ones. They're the exact same style, except they're a gold frame. They're also metal frame, and the lens on these ones are a little bit transparent and a little bit of, and they're gold, reflections. So the reflection to these ones are gold, and they're a lot thinner. They feel a lot thinner than the other ones. Like the side is a lot thinner if I compare it with these ones. These ones are thicker, as you could see. The border and the frame are different. So this one does definitely feel a little bit lighter. And then the style to these ones, so just a cat eye, I like it. It is cat eye, but it's not the same. This one squares out and this one points. And then this one has this like bar on top and this one doesn't. It has like that little loop. So yeah, I definitely relied on that. But it's still in the cat eye category. You'd find these ones in the cat eye category on the website. And let's try these babies on and see what they look like. These are a little bit more, and they're not attached on here like the other ones. I like them a lot. They're very lightweight. I feel like I don't have them on my face. I guess I'd wear this for a super sunny day. They're thin. They feel a little bit more cheap. I don't know, the material. I don't, like if I got it on Wish rather than the Sunglass Spot, but I still love them. It's definitely, it's an example, definitely better material than the ones in Wish. It doesn't seem like it will break that easy. It just looks very delicate. But I still love these either way. But all of these seem cheap, I guess I could say. And then the last but not least, glasses that I got, so I'm gonna rock this summer, which I'm making my glasses collection slowly. All the glasses that I want, these are typically my like second choices. They're not my first, they're my favorite right now, duh, because I don't have any other ones. All the ones that I would consider my favorite and that are my style and that I absolutely obsessed and fell in love with were all sold out. So I'm waiting for them to be in stock, that way I could order them. But these are another ones of the style that I showed you previously. These are also transparent style with the gold frame, and it's also metal with the acrylic black ear piece or whatever, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, these also feel lightweight. They're transparent in pink. These are pink. It looks red, but it's pink. And this is how these look like on. They're very cute. They're very flirty. I feel like I would probably wear these maybe to the pool. I don't know, where would you guys wear these? I don't know. I feel like I have specifics on how I'd wear my glasses and I'd have to be matching. And it has to be like an occasion of how the sun is, I guess. I don't know. I barely started getting into glasses this year. I didn't own many, but I'm obsessed with this website. I love the glasses that they had there. So I definitely had to purchase them. Like, what the heck? These are amazing. But yeah, definitely my favorite ones by far are these ones though. These ones are the winners until I get my premiere editions that are like this, similar. They're cat eyes, but they have like the double frame as, you know, decoration of the detail on it is just to die for. I'll show you guys a picture if I find one. I'll post it right here. If not, then I'll send you the link to the ones I love. But yeah, all the ones I love are always sold out, so I got these for now. And I'm gonna get like a huge sunglass rack so I could have all my sunglasses. Like my friend Priscilla, she has a bunch of glasses and she inspired me to get them. These are my favorite glasses. And yeah, comment down below if you guys enjoyed this little haul video, I guess you could call it, on my little glasses and my favorite ones because I don't have any other glasses. But definitely will be buying all my glasses from that website. It's cheap, it's affordable, the shipping is fast, they have every style you could think of. I'm obsessed. I just, by the looks of it, other glasses that I haven't really worn yet that have been sitting around or dropped a couple of times, it had scratched a little bit. So if it's something I dislike, it's that. I wish they were scratch proof, but I don't think they are. So you have to take extra good care of them, you guys. Just a disclaimer. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my glasses review and look. Trying them on, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get your glasses and get ready for your summer. Stock up on the summertime and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.